Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn loops. What is loops? Loops. Before applying this concept, we have to know why we are learning loops, right? Suppose I am telling that I have to print hello world 5 times. What you will do? Print hello world. What it will do? You will just write it 5 times, right? Good. Now if you run it, you will see the hello world printed 5 times. Good. Now I am giving the instructions that I have to print the hello world 100 times. What you will do? You will write this print statement 5 times, or you need someone who will write it manually with less number of code. Obviously you will want, by writing less number of code, someone will print hello world 100 times, 200 times, whatever. That's why there is a concept, that is loop, comes into the picture. What it will do? It will iterate the statement with the given time range. Suppose you want to iterate this hello world to 200 times or 100 times. Let it be 100 times. How you can, writing only one single statement, it will generate 100 times printing hello world. It will print hello world 100 times, but you will write the print statement only once. That's why the loop concept came. For I in range 100, print hello world. What it will do? It will print this hello world how many times? 100 times. If you run it, you can see 100 times hello world printed. You can see. So this is the benefits. With less number of code, you can iterate a particular statement the number of times you want to iterate, right? So this is the benefits of an iterative statement, that is looping statements. Now there are two types of loops. One is for loop, that is this one, and another one is while loop. We will see all the loops one by one, right? Suppose you want to print 1 to 5, right? You want to print 1 to 5, but if you write 5 here only and here write I, if you run it, if you run this, you will see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 printed. By default the value of I is 0. By default the value of I is 0. But if you want to include from 1 to 5, then the starting value you have to define. Where? Here. Suppose 1, then comma. You have to separate the values by comma. You can see here the start index If you don't give start index, it will take 0. But if you give the start index, then you will see the 1 will be the starting index and 5 will be the last index. But if you print now, you will see 1 2 3 4, because the end value is not included in the for loop evaluation. During the condition evaluation, 5 will not be printed. This first one is printed because this is the starting value. Then by default 1 will be incremented by class 1. So now 1 is become 2. Is 2 less than 5? Yes, printed 2. Then I is incremented by 3. 3, now this is not 1, this is 3 actually. Is 3 less than 5? Yes. Then 4 less than 5? Yes. 5 less than 5? False. So 0 1 2 3 4. But if you want to include 5 here, you have to put 6 here, because the 6 will not be included. The less than equals to the end value will be printed. Less than the end value will be printed. That is, less than 6 means who should be included? 5. But no 6 will be included. The end value is not inclusive, it's exclusive from the range. You can see now 5 included. So this is excluded, this 6 is excluded, but the evaluation will be like that. Is 1 less than 6? Yes. 2 less than 6? Yes. 3 less than 6? Yes. 4 less than 6? Yes. 5 less than 6? Yes. Print it. Then 6 less than 6? No. It will be out of the loop. Right? Suppose another one. For I in range 2, print I. Now if I ask you what should be the output should be 0 and 1. Why? Because I is not defined here, so by default I will be 0. Is 0 less than 2? Yes. Then it will be incremented by 1 internally. So 1 less than 2? Yes. So 0 1 would be printed. You can see 0 1 printed. But if you want the start value should be there. Suppose 1 is our start value, 1 comma. If you run it now, only 1 will be printed, because these 2, if you want to print 2, then here you have to write 3, because the end index will be excluded during the for loop range evaluation, right? If you write 3 here, the 2 will be included. Okay, now suppose from 1 to 10 you want to print the value. What will be the value? 1 to 9. But if you want to include the 10 value itself, then you have to write 11. If you run it, then it will be printed from 1 to 10. But if you want the increment after 1, it should print 3. After 3, 5. After 5, then 7. So you want to increment the printing value by 2. If you want to increment the value by 2, then you have to give another separation comma and give 2. This 2 is nothing but step. What is the step? The step is nothing but first 1. Okay, no problem, 1 printed. Next step is what? 1 plus this 2, that is 3. Is 3 less than 11? Yes, 3 printed. Then 3 plus 2, how much? 5. Is 5 less than 11? So the incremented value will be plus 2, like that. Okay, now if you run it, you can see 1 3 5 7 9. So the value is incremented by 2. You can also write 3. You can see 1, then plus 3 4, then 4 plus 3 7, then 7 plus 3 10. So 1 4 7 10. Understood? So this is actually nothing but is the start value, this is the end value, and this is the step value. You can see here. Okay, no issue. Now Suppose ten. From 1 to 10, 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, the value, suppose you want to print the value of even number. If I modulo 2 equal 0, then it should print I and suppose formatted string I is even. Now if you run it, it will be 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even, that 10 is even, like that. So we will see more about this in the next video. Thank you for watching.